There is that Extrapolis bound for Glen Waverley service. 1:39am, rare car. And we are at Gardiner station. So Gardiner station I think was the first station to be removed by the Level Crossing Removal Authority. So yeah, that way is towards the city, and that way, which is full of graffiti by the way, is towards Glen Waverley. Now this is on the Glen Waverley line. It's pretty modern. This used to be a tram square, but now it's not. I think the remaining ones that I know of are at Kooyong and what's the other one? Riversdale. Yep. I'll see you when we get to the other place. The signal number is DG297. Here is the top bit of Gardiner station. There's a weird sculpture there made out of things. There is a tram stop over there, and there's the old signal box that used to be here. And a nice colourful bike parking. I cannot find any toilets here, sorry. So yeah. There's also that thing which is used to check your Myki. And no, you cannot purchase Myki cards here. There is security cameras. Extrapolis arriving. Front car 245M. Look up to this one. 246M. 186M. 185M. Extrapolis arriving, platform 2. Gardiner station. This will be the last train in this YouTube video. This vlog. 965M, and that's probably the only car I can get. Thanks for watching MTV. MTV out.